Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from Tradesight with the ETF scans for Friday, March 8th, 2013. Current session is fairly muted. We've had a very narrow range after a small gap up that hasn't filled yet on the ES side. Right now we do have a CPS signal in place for the spiders, but that's the only real indication of our major broad ETFs. The one thing I will point out though is we're very light in volume here as we're really waiting for the non-farm number tomorrow. We'll have a little better volume at least initially tomorrow, and then we'll have to see if the number is interesting enough to give us a sustained move into the close. Looking at the domestic sectors, kind of a mixed bag, a little bit to the sell side here off of the scans, but nothing too heavy either way. Bunch of volume again today in the PPH. Definitely keep track of that one for tomorrow. Moving on to the commodities, they're fairly well paired off here. Not seeing anything really sticking out. GDX was higher this morning, but has reversed fairly significantly. Is now 1.5% below the open. UNG is strong, 2.5% above the open on a volume bump. So definitely keep an eye on those for tomorrow. As far as the bonds go, not really seeing too much there. Fairly muted activity. The bonds gap down, and we're not able to cover their gap, at least for the U.S. Treasuries. As far as the foreigns, couple of volume bumps. EWU and the EWZ both bumped up on volume. We do have a CPS buy signal on the EWG. And finally, here's a look at the specials. The special longs are skewed to the buy side pretty heavily, so that's definitely a bullish indication there. The shorts, not so much. A little bit of a sell indication on a couple of names, but definitely overwhelmed by the special longs. All right, folks, that'll be it for today, and we hope to see you tomorrow afternoon to get ready for Monday's trade. So this has been Rich Derrick from Tradesight, and thanks for listening.